Good afternoon. This is Brenda Salzano of Salzanos on Spoonflower. I just finished a new prototype for a pattern. One fat quarter will yield this small little backpack. And I'm using some of my fabric that I already had on hand. And this is also not going to include the strap, though. You will have to buy your own. I got this off of Amazon for making straps and things. I made it so that you just cross the back, and I'm going to have a little button on it right there. Otherwise it'll be held with a Velcro. But it'll be really handy for women, smaller women, and little kids or adults that just want something small when they go downtown. I think it'd be perfect for that. And it has cats on them. This is upside down right now because it's the prototype. Anyway, it'll be in my shop soon, and it'll have different designs on each one that you get, and it'll all be ready to cut out and sew on one fat quarter. Thank you.